What's going on, everybody? My name is Adam James and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to curve text in Fusion 360, the new way.
Nice!
Now, I made a video about this in 2018 or so, and honestly, that method is so outdated and prehistoric. You guys deserve to understand the new method, which saves you so much time. And if it wasn't for the fact that if you search curve text in Fusion 360 on Google, and the first result that appears is a video I created showing you an outdated method, I probably wouldn't be making this video in the first place. So, without further ado, let's jump right into Fusion and get started.
What you want, what you need.
Now, as we open Fusion 360, we will open our uber cool curve text example, and we'll go ahead and just kind of create a spline here. Actually, we'll start with this circle. How about that? That's fine. Do something like that. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go up to create and we're going to select text. And what you'll notice here is there's a new option under this text window which says text on path, and we're just going to select that. We can select either of these circles here. And you can specify the height, so we'll do maybe 4, maybe even 5, 45. That's a little too big for us. Let's see, 10. Okay, that works. Sample text. This proves Fusion 360 rocks. Okay, let's go to 8. Okay. Let's edit this actually. Let's bring this to like 7. Okay, do okay, finish sketch, and we will extrude this. Awesome, and I'll just click OK here, and that's all there is to it. I mean, this is so quick and easy, right? I mean, this is way easier than what it used to be previously. So let's just sketch, but what's actually really neat is you can also, we'll just sketch on the same plane. You can also do it on a spline, so it doesn't have to be just an arc or a circle. And then that spline is then modifiable, and that text parametrically updates to that spline. So I'll show you an example. I've just got this spline here, create text. And we have text on path selected. We'll select this spline that we just made. Fusion 360 is super cool, and I'm just going to keep typing until I run out of things to say. Okay. So you'll see it'll run tangent to the last curvature that you have, which is actually super cool. I mean, the fact that you can modify this. Oops. Okay, I just deleted that, and it kept it. Wow. Let's just select OK, and then let's try modifying our spline here. Watch what happens. I mean, that is so slick. I mean, you know, whether or not other CAD softwares have this, like SolidWorks or say CATIA or Creo or whatnot, I just think it's so cool. I mean, this is a huge leap in an update for Fusion 360 if you watch my last video, for the ancient way that we used to have to do things, right? And you can actually even lengthen this. And what's actually really cool is even if some of these are intersecting, say we bring this like here, I don't know why you would want to do that, but it'll still extrude it even if these vectors of, say, these text elements are overlapping. So we'll try. It'll probably take a little longer for it to extrude because it's trying to figure out what exactly. Yeah, it's having a bit of a hard time, but I've been able to do it before actually. So let's just try it live here. There it goes. I mean, look at that. That's super slick. It's a parametrically modifiable text element along a spline with intersecting vectors. I mean, wow, that was probably the nerdiest thing I think I've said in a while. But then we'll just click OK. And I mean, to think that then you can turn that into an STL file and print it, that's super slick. So if we want to maybe get a little more in depth, and this doesn't help you out, let's just create a very simplified design. C for circle, click again. We'll extrude this sucker up. This is all my live stuff, so hopefully I don't bore you guys, but I've probably lost a majority of the crowd at this point. So we'll just do that, sketch on this. C for circle. And maybe we'll just do like dimension this off by like 10 millimeters. Say we're making like a coaster or something, right? And we want to extrude this down, bring it down like 2. And then we want like some cool text or something along the inside. So we'll click on our circle. Actually, what haven't we done? We haven't done an arc, so we'll do an arc. Conic arc? Curve? Sure, let's see. That's fine. Create text. It's kind of weird, but it's still super cool that it can do it. My cool looking coaster. And bring this size down a little bit to 7. Sweet. Extrude this. And if we 3D printed this, we'd probably just bring it in like 1/4 millimeter or something. -0.25. My cool Liu King coaster. So there you guys have it. If you guys found any value in this video, feel free to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to pump out some more videos here relatively soon. I'm working on a little side project of my own. More details on that to come in the near future. Take care, and thanks again for watching. Bye.